Good morning, 8:43 a.m. Yellow 4, yellow ray of light, plus beige ray of light today with the planet Pluto. Spirit Elohim and metal element. This is the southwest direction. There was more rain yesterday. We had some storms with lightning and thunder. It was the 4th of July yesterday. Today is the 5th on Saturday. I find the elements this week, and especially later in the week, very interesting. If the information is not posted on the videos yet, you can check the photos for the solar system information. This is along the south and walking backwards towards the east direction. I like the variance of color here in the trees and even the ground, earth, land, comparison to sky, height. Some of these words can be used in journaling. Keywords, variance, light, colors, positivity, illumination, even, shadows. Love you very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day.